all of us, we will struggle at a certain point. What is your key discipline as a man?
Parang it was more, he was authoritarian.
17 years with my first wife, 17 years with my first wife, and
bata ako kasi there's no struggle because I enjoy it, di ba?
Kung hindi pa tayo Christian, parang good times lang lahat palagi.
Welcome back mga Junakis! Eto na naman ang yung Daddy para sa panibagong episode ng ating vlog. And today's video, nandito tayo ngayon sa CCF Tiendesitas para umattend ng Made Man. This is a 2 days conference, kaya samahan nyo kami para makita natin kung ano mangyayari dito.
Shout it out! Jesus, forever magnified. Blessed those who are unchanged, grounded in your unchanged. Jesus, you are exalted high.
May you fly as high as He takes you. May you stay as humble as He would keep you. May you execute exactly what He says.
Praise God! As a boy, no, whether you had absentee fathers or they were present, diba? All of us, we will struggle at a certain point with our flesh, with our self-gratification, and
Parang it was more, he was authoritarian.
17 years with my first wife, 17 years with my first wife, and then she passed away because of lupus. And what I can learn from that loss, and it was really, my heart was broken in a million pieces. I don't wish that kind of hurt on anyone. But the three things I learned from that and how to get over it was, number one, that God is the greatest shoulder.
Finances. Well, kasi actually nung parang sa first question, it's a really struggle nung bata ako. Kasi there's no struggle because I enjoy it. Di ba? We call it a struggle pagka ayaw natin gawin. Di ba? It's a sin eh. So it's a struggle. Ayaw natin, so we don't give it to sin. But nung bata ako, I always give it to sin. I enjoy that. Even in my show business life, it's been
against the culture of corruption as a government official.
Pastor Mike, actually, before I answer that, I just want to go back dun sa sinabi ni Kuya Berwin. Yung struggle, alam mo bro, agree ako sa'yo eh. Mas nagsa-struggle tayo ngayon. Para sa akin, as a Christian, it's more of the struggle happens now because araw-araw meron tayong gera na hinaharap eh. Kung hindi pa tayo Christian, parang good times lang lahat palagi. But then, praise God, araw-araw we are also given a choice. Now, going back to the answer about good governance and fighting corruption, the truth is, corruption is everywhere. It's not just in government. There's corruption in sports, there's corruption in business, media, kahit saan po may corruption. And the only way to fight it is to make sure that we are accountable to Christ.
What is your key discipline as a man in how you take care of yourself and of your family?
I'll give the siguro perspective muna of discipline as a sportsman. I think I was able to carry over a lot of the habits na nabuo ko when I played for Ateneo, being a professional player for 12 years. And it's really knowing priorities. What comes first, what comes second, ano yung mga kailangan tanggalin sa buhay mo, the weeds of your life, and you filter everything and you put everything in sequence. For the husband is the head of the wife, as Christ is the head of the church, his body. At verse 25 though, it says, husbands, love your wives just as Christ loved the church.
Christ like me too. So, Thank you, gentlemen. We have another question here. It's a live question. And for Vice Mayor Gian Soto, and of course we can all contribute to this, but this is the question. How do we as men step up as leaders, not just in our marriage, not just in our family, but in our communities, specifically in society? I think this is a good question, relevant to right now what's happening in our cultural moment in the Philippines.
Being a leader is very difficult, especially if you don't have a relationship with God or you don't know God. For me, what I realized sa tagal ng yung family namin exposed sa trabaho ng public service, I saw a pattern na, for example, in any given organization, kung ano yung ginagawa ng leader, yun yung gagawin ng mga tao niya. Ganon din sa family, bilang mga tatay. Kung ano yung ginagawa natin, yun ang gagawin ng mga anak natin.